Hello everybody and welcome to another video from Olympus. My name is Lewis and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can update your Olympus camera. To update your camera, all we need is your camera and a lens. You can update your lens this way as well. You need your camera's USB cable and you need a computer running Olympus Workspace. So you can do this on both Windows or Mac. I am on a Mac here, but the process is exactly the same. So once we have all these things together, we then go into the Olympus Workspace program, and here you will see at the very top there will be an icon that says Camera. If you click that and then click Update, you'll see then it will open up the Updater box. This is where we plug the camera in. So turning the camera on, plugging the USB into the side, you'll see then the camera brings up a box that allows you to select storage, and storage is the one we need here. So once we've selected that, you'll see then the program will boot up where it says Olympus Digital Camera Updater, and there's a few notes there about the battery life being as full as it can be, and so on. So we just click next on there, and then it will connect to the camera. Once it's connected to the server, you'll see then a list. So you see here on mine, I have an EM1 Mark III, and it's saying the current version is firmware 1, but there is a newer one of 1.1. So all we do is we just select that, and then press update. This is where it will say you cannot go back to an older version. Do you want to continue? We select yes. Once you've read the terms and conditions, that is when you can press OK and OK again. So this should save your latest settings in terms of your custom profiles and everything else, and then it will kind of load them back on again once we're finished. It's always good to have a good sturdy USB cable as well. Normally the one in the box is the best one for it, and it's genuinely the one that we would recommend. Once we have OK on the screen, what we then have to do is turn the camera off, then turn the camera back on again. And on the program, on the computer, then we have to go to confirm that the update is complete, and basically tick the box to say that yes, we saw the OK, and then tick the other box to say that we have turned the camera off and now back on again. Then hit next. Then it will reload all the latest settings and basically put your camera as it was before with your custom settings. Once done, we have firmware update and settings my sets are complete. And we can hit continue updating if we want to update the lens as well. Just need to make sure that we have storage selected back on the camera. Then it will reconnect to the camera and now show you that the camera body is on the current version, and you'll notice there it says newer version is blank because there isn't a newer version for the camera. But underneath there is one for the lens, and you follow the same process for the lens as well. Once you've done that, you can close the program, you can switch the camera off and then unplug the camera, and that is you good to go. Thank you for watching. I hope the video has been informative and you've taken something away from it. Don't forget, if you have got a new lens or a new teleconverter, you may well have to update the lens and the body, so it's worth checking every time. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one.